The best way to figure out if you can trust someone is to trust them.
Chasing failure took me further than chasing success ever did.
Break it down.
In fact, I want to submit to you that there is absolutely no experience that you will ever go through, no matter how tragic or painful, that can create in you internal limitations.
If you have bad habits, time becomes your enemy. And every day that goes by, you kind of dig the hole a little bit deeper.
You could not climb up the ladder to get to him, friends. He climbed down the ladder to be with us.
Just keep remembering that as human beings, we keep making the impossible seem inevitable in retrospect.
God, would you give us our passion back? Would you restore my longing and my joy? Father.
So I believe in you, I trust you, I love you, I believe you'll make a difference, I believe you can be a bright light in a dark world. I believe you'll confront injustice and real right wrongs. I believe you can build stronger and more ethical businesses. I believe you can build more passionate and God-honoring churches. I believe that you have the courage to stand up when others back down. And I believe you will get better because everyone wins when the leader gets better.